Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received these pendant lights for reviewing purposes. First of all, they come in a really well protected box with lots of foam, okay? And they are a drop shaped lamps, okay? This is the glass fixture. It's quite heavy, so you gotta handle it with quite care. It comes with the light bulbs that you are gonna use, which are these little ones, which I think is nice. It's a set of two, so you get two of the light bulbs. Then we have the fixture, okay, as you can see. We also get the ceiling base, everything that we need to install it, which I think it's nice. And the instruction manual, which I think it's great. Everything comes, as I've said, really well protected. And as you can see, it has a really interesting design. It's gonna go like this. It has a really interesting design that I think is going to do an amazing work. So let's go ahead and start assembling them, installing them, and let's see how they look. Okay, come on. Okay guys, the assembly process is actually really easy. It doesn't take that much long. And something that I find quite nice about these pendant lights is that the cables are covered with this durable braided rope that it's perfect to hold all the weight of the glass raindrops. Really nice for wherever you want to place them, your kitchen room, your dining room, because you can adjust the length of the cord, which I think it's really great. Okay guys, as you can see, they are already installed and I think they look amazing. They have a really classy look. I like a lot the crystal design combined with the brush metal finish. I think it looks really great. It has a really nice feel to it. Obviously, the bubble pendant are obviously a bit heavy, but it feels really well stable and really well structured, so it doesn't feel like it's gonna fall or anything, which I think it's great. And overall, I like them a lot. I will really recommend them. See you guys.